Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website you can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website, but right now I'm going to share with you the withdrawal proof. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you shiba coin instantly to your coinbase. I share with you the website, and right now I want to share with you the another withdrawal proof. Right now this is the big amount of withdrawal proof, 9,700 shiba coin, and right now this will be changed. The minimum withdrawal amount is 500 shiba coin. Okay, just I click withdraw. Maybe this will be take much more time to I receive the withdrawal, maybe 1 day or 5 day. Okay, okay, you can see your withdrawal request will be processing within 5 days to your coinbase account. Okay, this will be processing in 5 days. Okay, and I just withdraw 2 times from this website. This 2 times this website pay me. Right now this will be processing for 5 days, and after 5 days I will be share with you this website pay me my shiba coin instantly to my coinbase. And thanks for watching guys. This website pay you 100% free because I claim 2 times, and you can see this website, you can see you can watch much more short links to earn much more cryptocurrency. Okay, bye for now, and this website link available in description.